Hello, artists! Do you like to look up at the evening sky? The nighttime sky is not always black, is it? It can be so many brilliant shades of colors at sunrise and sunset, from purples, blues, and greens, to reds, oranges, and pinks. We call this a galaxy sky, and they are so much fun to create. This is the artist Jen Arani. She loves to paint galaxy skies in all sorts of beautiful color combinations. Jen Arani likes to paint her mini masterpieces inside fun shapes such as rectangles, squares, circles, and even triangles. The trick to making a beautiful galaxy sky is to blend colors together that are alike. Greens and blues, purples and pinks, reds and oranges. How do we know what colors blend well together? The color wheel. Colors that are next to each other on the color wheel blend together the best. Now that you know the trick, are you ready to make your own galaxy sky? Decide what you want to use to color your sky and choose the video for either crayons and colored pencils or markers. The video that demonstrates crayons and colored pencils shows you how to blend colors by overlapping. The marker blending video demonstrates how to blend markers with water and a paintbrush. Choose your favorite technique and grab your supplies.